Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking whether Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 will be coming to India or not, or if it's coming, when it is coming. Let's get into the video. Latest update suggests that Xiaomi is working on Redmi Note 5 and it will be launched in next few months. We are expecting a release in March or April. The second big change will be the display side. Redmi Note 5 is expected to come with bezel-less full-view display with an 18:9 resolution. The display size is not confirmed yet and we think Xiaomi will go with 5.9 or 6-inch full-view display panel on the front. Because the bezels will be small, the overall size of Redmi Note 5 will be similar to that of 5.5-inch Redmi Note 4. Inside, Redmi Note 5 is expected to have a Snapdragon 630 processor. Redmi Note 4 came with Snapdragon 625, which is a very efficient and powerful chipset. Snapdragon 630 is also a quad-core chipset and core runs at 10% higher frequency. Plus, the GPU gets a boost of 40%, which should help in gaming performance of Redmi Note 5. Let's see the specifications of Redmi Note 5. It comes with 5.9 or 6-inch Full HD display, dual SIM device, Android 7.1 Nougat based on MIUI 9, Snapdragon 630 processor, 2 RAM options 3GB and 4GB, 4000 mAh battery, fingerprint scanner, rear 12MP camera, 16MP front camera, 3 storage variants 32GB, 64GB and 128GB, expandable storage via micro SD card up to 128GB, and that too hybrid SIM slot. And there it is guys, Xiaomi Note 5 will be coming in March or April in India. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching, goodbye.